3, 2, 1, action!
Welcome to Meat Customs!
Oh my God.
Long bolt, isn't it?
On the last episode, we started FLAWED, the Harley Davidson build. We finish this bike later in this episode. First, we start a new build for the clothing company TOXICO.
This is a 2002 CCM R30 Supermoto.
So the first thing with this CCM tracker build is to give it a damn good clean. It's minging.
Someone putting the kettle on.
Okay, so now we've got a clean Supermoto. Time to turn it into a flat tracker.
Oh man, just broke my Yoshimura bender. We're here at TOXICO, does all our clothing. We're going to go and see Jez, give him a little surprise visit, see if he can do some stuff for us while we're here. As if he's here. Jez! How are you, mate? Cup of tea.
He's only come here for tea.
Yeah.
I'm out of milk. I'm out of milk. You've arrived in the North London ghetto of TOXICO. We're a print company, for those of you that don't know. We've got a brand, TOXICO, Redneck, been screen printing shit for years. Mint Customs, where to start? Me and Simon go back quite a long time. Bikes, stupidness, taking the piss out of people, drinking tea, eating biscuits. So I asked him to do something to my wife's bike without her knowing. That's where it started. She really likes a kind of street tracker, flat tracker sort of thing, so met up with Simon, drank some tea and came up with an idea.
So how long have you got to finish the bike?
Well, see, this is the thing. He's had about 3.5 weeks. It'll be done, he's assured me. And I'll waive the money. That would speed him up. Expensive cup of tea, mate.
Brilliant.
That looks really cool.
Yeah.
The main focus on this CCM to make it look and feel like a tracker is primarily the tank and the seat unit. Up, down?
No, to front the seat down, like literally away from the tank, so the bottom of the seat gives you a gusset into the tank.
So how comes you had to make a whole new subframe?
To incorporate the new seat and the seat unit that Jez from TOXICO wanted, it wasn't going to work with the old subframe. Plus the old subframe that was on it was rotten. So we cut it off, threw it away and built a whole new one specifically for that seat, to make a new battery housing in there and enough room for the ECU and all the wiring.
Need to get me some sleep. But when I wake up,
And the story behind the exhaust.
repeat. 'Cause I'm a yes man.
Yeah, well, to give the bike its look, it originally had a high level exhaust system on it, which was more dirt bike or supermoto, and we were going for the flat tracker look. So threw it away and I built a whole new stainless system that runs down along the bottom of the engine.
I'm going nowhere while you're all passing me by.
Okay, so the CCM's ready for a full strip down for paint and powder coat. The boys are almost done with fabricating, and then we can strip it down with paint and powder coat. Because that bit is welded on.
Weld it on then.
I'm a yes man. I'm a yes man. I'm a yes man. I'm a yes man.
Cut the frame lugs off.
Swing arm was a nightmare. It was seized in there, so it took quite a job to get that out. I had to cut it out and then re-weld it all back together afterwards.
All agreed? Yep.
Hey!
So we've had another super late night, but the CCM's ready for powder coat. The frame's prepped. Everything else is prepped, ready for powder coat. The tank and the seat's ready for paint. And it is very cold.
Get out of here. away from Sunny Scunthorpe.
Yeah, Steve Joy from Patchy Paint did a great job. Smashed it really. It's quite a straightforward, simple paint job, but the decals on the tank aren't decals on the tank, they're painted on. So getting things like that done, you need to get a decent painter really. So that's done really well.
And all the dead bodies piled up in mounds.
I love wiring. Wiring is my favourite. I wish I could wire motorcycles every day. Said no man ever.
Specialist subject, flawed. What's your favourite part of flawed?
Definitely the number plate hanger. I did that.
Wait, I'll wait for Dad to leave because then I can give my honest opinion.
Headlight bracket is really good as well. Yeah.
Did you do that?
Do you know, I think I did, yeah.
I absolutely fucking love this bike.
I love the way it's turned out. I love the stance, the lines, how low it is. The fact that we went with the 48 front end instead of putting a Springer front end in it.
For me, the exhausts make it. I think the exhausts are awesome.
Sam really likes the pipes, which they're alright, and Sam put the pipes on. And they're not quite straight.
Alistair Latimer, can you please take the chair? Your chosen subject is flawed. No, leave the chair there, so just sit in it.
It's big heavy tractor, absolute piece of shit. I mean, look at it.
I can't wait to get it out to a few shows and a few meetings in the summer. Spring, summer, spring.
So you're not planning to sell it then?
If the right person wants to buy it, then I will sell it.
Oh, this chair's nice and warm.
I farted on it.